back. So in today's video I'm going to teach you and show you how to play Rendu Prena song from movie Baby. That song how to play on our flute. Okay, so this is an easy flute tutorial, and need to say, if you want to play this notation on original scale, if you want to play this notation with original track, you need to use C sharp flute, which means when you cover this first three holes, it plays C sharp, which means komal re. Okay, so you can play this without track. If you use track, you need to use C sharp flute. Okay, so you can use any flute that you have, but remember, if you want to play this notation with original scale track, you need to use C sharp flute. Okay, so I'm using today my C sharp flute. You can use any flute that you have to learn this part, and I will show you how to play the chorus part of that song through this video. And before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get more videos like this. Let's move to the tutorial part. So this notation has prema, which means F sharp. So F sharp means you need to open all holes when you play F sharp. It's easy. So let's start. First line goes like, okay, ni re ni ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Every time you play ma, which means prema, F sharp. Okay, ni re ni sa ni da pa ma pa. Once again, okay, and then starting with pada ni re ni sa ni da pa ma pa. So first two line goes like, ni re ni sa ni da pa ma pa, and then pada ni re ni sa ni da pa ma pa, like that. And then pa pa ga pa da ma pa ga pa da ma pa. Pa ga ma ga re. Once again, you need to play that line for 2 times like this. That whole line for 2 times. Okay, so notations are pa ga pa da ma pa ga ma ga re, and then same line, pa ga pa da ma pa ga ma ga re. Okay, and then ga re ni, starting with middle E note ga. Okay, and then jump up to the higher scale, ga re ni. That line for 2 times. Okay, ga re ni, ga re ni. Okay, ni sa ni sa ni dha ni sa dha ni. Once again, ni sa ni dha ni sa dha ni. I will show you once again. Okay, ga ni ni ma pa ma re 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 ga re ga ga ni ma pa ma ga re. Once again. And then second time goes like ga ni ma pa ma re 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 ga re ga ga ni ma pa da pa ga. Okay, you need to repeat that 2 lines for 2 times like this. And then again. So that's how you play the chorus part of that song through your flute. Okay, so I hope you guys learn to play how to play that chorus part of the song or Rendu Prema through this video. I hope you guys enjoy and learn something from this video. If you learn something from this video and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment what you think about this video. And if you need more tutorial videos, please comment. And if you have any other problems, you can ask me. So let's meet in another tutorial video. Until that, keep playing, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.